And let's begin by mashing together 4 tablespoons or 1/2 stick of margarine or butter. And if you have butter, you're going to want to melt that in the microwave for about 10 seconds to soften it a little bit. I'm using margarine, so I didn't melt mine. Maybe I should have just a tad bit, but it's fine. So crush the butter and the sugar and the graham cracker crumbs together until that's mixed thoroughly. And this will take a few minutes. Just be patient. After mixing with the fork for a few minutes, I used my fingers to get it more to a crumbly consistency. And then back to the fork. And after I'm happy with that, I'll go ahead and put that in a pie plate and press that down with my hands. And then I use the back of a measuring cup to mash it down further. After that, I will sit this in the refrigerator to let it set a little bit while I mix up the filling. Make the cheesecake filling according to the directions on the box, just as you normally would, and mix that very, very well. And I start with a whisk, and then I eventually go to a hand mixer, but you do not have to do that. It's just your personal choice. And after that thickens some, I'll go ahead and add 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And I'll mix that well with a spatula. And then I'll use the hand mixer to mix that for 2 or 3 more minutes. After that, I'll put that on the crust, the graham cracker crust that I already have set aside. And I'll chill that for at least 30 minutes. Before I put this in the refrigerator to chill, I topped it with some Hershey's chocolate syrup. And that's completely optional. You can put whatever you want to on that, but you can't really go wrong with peanut butter and chocolate. So if you like peanut butter and you like chocolate and you like cheesecake, give this a try. Enjoy.